Thinking of buying from Alibaba but scared you'll get scammed? Let's find out if Alibaba is safe to buy from. First, understand that Alibaba is a B2B marketplace, connecting buyers with suppliers. It's not like buying directly from a retailer. Rule number 1. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Super low prices and ridiculously fast shipping are red flags. Always look for the verified supplier badge. This means Alibaba has inspected the supplier's company and production capabilities. Check the supplier's transaction history and rating. A long history with positive reviews builds trust. Use Alibaba's trade assurance. This protects your payment until you confirm you've received your order as described. Communicate clearly with the supplier before placing your order. Ask specific questions about the product and their process. When your order arrives, inspect it thoroughly. If there are any issues, contact the supplier and Alibaba immediately to file a dispute.